All right, we're back again. Today is October the 8th. It's a Wednesday. We're going to be checking to see what's going on in the stock market today. Um, Yesterday, I took a Tesla trade and Tesla crushed me. Tesla came out with news that they're going to release a cheaper car. And I was in here, it went up, and I said, yeah, it's going to come back. It got to here. They released the news around 2 o'clock, and bam, it just hit me like a ton of rocks. I didn't lose much. It was very small, but I did try to scale down in my position. However, it didn't work, but sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. What did I have to talk about today? So I'm in RGTI still. Yesterday's candle wasn't the greatest, so it's an indecision candle. So from the looks of it, it's moving up. But usually when I see these candles, um, I kind of can't say which direction it's going. But more often than not, when you usually see it go up, it goes up to make a wick and then comes down, or if it goes the opposite way, same thing. But this is the new all-time high. So if it does come, it might come up here. We're going to see what happens. Or it comes down here to see what happens. This candle is showing it could be an exhaustion candle, or it could be an indecision, whether we don't know which way it wants to move back. Because if you look here, it was consolidated for these 2 days and then shot up. So this candle was inside of this candle, and then this one peaked up. Yesterday was a real funny day in the market. Not sure why it was going all wonky, but that's pretty much what happened. A lot of stocks weren't or didn't do so well, or the majority of the market was red yesterday. So today we'll see what happens. SPY is looking shaky this morning. It could move up, it could move down, but this is an engulfing candle that engulfs these 3 days. So we'll see what happens at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to focus on where I'm in today, and that's RGTI. 4-hour indecision, 1 hour very weak. This looks like it could be a reversal, so I might just be getting out today. I'm going to be focusing on the 5-minute candle. I'm up in my position, but not too much. I did find something else to invest in. It's not here yet. So let's see. So our GTI has moved up. It's at 288. Let's try to get it at 276. Well, 70. So it's moving up. $288. Yeah, let's start in for 288 and just get out. 279. Coming down. 86. 91. 287. 288. Let's hit it. And it's like at 288, but just as on the close. 86. There we go. All right, so we closed out at 288. It's 297 now. Wow. So it's probably just flying today, which is fine. So I'm in my other trade still. So BBAI is moving up. So let's see what this one is. I didn't really like this trade too much because I kind of did want to get out of it just in case it decided to go the other way. And look at this. Tesla fully reversed. It opened up here and dropped right down. You see how this sucker is dangerous? So kind of glad I'm not in Tesla. It could be moving up, but I'm not sticking around to find out. So RGTI, it's getting back to its thing, which is okay. I'm okay with not making all that money in it. So yeah, so the money I made, or I lost yesterday, I finally cracked 5,000. Oh, there goes RGTI, shooting up like a rocket. 320, 340. And there she goes. Woo! Boom. Bursted through it. New all-time high. Let's see if it stays above it. 340. Ooh. 360. So got as high as 360. 390. Oh, it's shooting up now. Crazy. This one I was kind of okay with just getting out where I got out because I wasn't too sure, but I have a feeling it might come up here and then shoot down. But we'll see what happens. 5-minute candle hasn't closed yet. Let's check what open is doing. Open, yeah, open is giving bad vibes. Yeah, so I don't like that. So we're not touching open today. Let's look at RR. RR is moving up again. It's doing pretty well. Here's a new company that I was introduced to yesterday. This is Rare Earth. So this deals with like all the raw materials that AI is using, copper, and what's it called? This is the important thing. Rare Earth in close communication with Trump administration. Stock is rising 24%. If that deal goes through, this bad boy is gonna jump. So this one I'm watching closely. What was the other company I was looking at? Let's see what Snap is doing today. Snap is moving down. Kind of predicted that based off of this candle structure here, because this is like a reversal pattern. So it's going to be coming down here. What else am I watching today? Oh, here's the next one. QUBT. So it's moving up a bit. I like that. Let's see. Candles. Yeah, so these candles are looking a bit more healthier than the last time. So to get about the 24, that's what I'm looking for to fill that gap. So fill this gap here at 24. If you're interested in learning about this content, you can book a call with me to create a strategy plan for you. The link is in the description. So those are pretty much the companies I'm watching. My long-term play, I'm in SMCI and NVIDIA. I don't know SMCI, so NVIDIA did a little pop-up. It's good. SMCI is moving down. It's okay. Nothing too crazy. It finally closed a gap here. So I can see why that's coming down. Let me see if this is a gap here. Tiny gap. So I don't know if it's going to come back to this level. But we'll see. It seems like an area that is calming. So we'll see what happens there. But yeah, it's pretty much what I'm watching for this week. So the lesson that I want, 429. Damn, crazy. And I got it at 288. 288 and the low was 260. That's crazy. So one thing that I did want to talk about today, I gotta call these guys. Boring. Boring is the key to success. So boring is the key to success. If you're someone that is struggling for success, you gotta make what you're doing boring. And you need 3 things for that. You need the tool set, so you need to learn how to use tools. The skill set, the skill to use this, and then how to tell stories. When you can do those 3 things, that will get you success. The more you learn, the more you do not know. Keep that in mind. So the more you learn, the more you do not know. Because when you're learning about stuff that you didn't know actually existed. So to grow, and then the other thing that I want to leave you with is to grow your action habit. Practice these things. Become a doer by doing things. Be someone who does things. Don't wait until the conditions are perfect. They will never be. Expect future obstacles. That is something that I struggled with a long time. I always thought that, yeah, I'll be able to do this. And nope, didn't go that way for me. Ideas alone won't bring success. They only have value when you take action. You learned something or you thought of something, do something about it. Don't just be like, talk about it. Talking is like the biggest way to kill one of your ideas. Why? Because when you talk about something, you get that satisfaction of actually saying it and instead of doing it. And you feel like you have accomplished something by just telling somebody it. And to be honest, like it does nothing. So you need to become someone that takes action over someone that just talks about it. Uh, Start your mental engine mechanically. Don't wait for the spirit to move you. Take action and you move the spirit. Think of terms of now. Be the I am studying right now person. When people say, when people see, sorry, um, think in terms of now. Be the I am studying right now person. When you say tomorrow, later, next week, that's synonymous with never. So stop saying that to yourself. Don't waste time getting ready to start. Just start instead. Be a volunteer, take initiative. Do without having to be asked to do it. Learn lessons from failure. Salvage something from every setback. So every day, my goal is to come on here, make a video, talk to you guys about what I'm seeing in the stock market. So that wraps up my time for today. My name is Dean, the Wealth Coach. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to learn about the stock market and how you can build your wealth through it, click the link down in the description and book a free call with me. See you on the next one.